in the back.
Well, I'm in Santa Rosa. I've got about a 20-mile drive to a little town called Hendrickson, California, to look at the new wrecker. I'm going to go grab an Uber. Well, I've never done that before, so my first experience with Uber. I'm going to go grab that, we'll head over and check out the new used wrecker we're going to buy. I'm just waiting for my Uber ride. They said it'd be here in just a few minutes, so we'll see how quick. It's supposed to be a brown Kia, and by golly, if that's it, I'll be shocked. No way they got here that quick. There's no way. I mean, I called for a ride like it wasn't even a minute ago. Is that him? That's him. He's quick. You're quick. You're quick.
Just down the road.
Do you need the address? Did you put those on there?
No, that's factory.
I'll be darned. Yeah, my 2016 is the same color blue.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay.
See how that lights up the above the.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna do a quick walk around here. This truck is every bit as nice as I thought it was going to be. It is clean as a pin. It's got options and features that I just. It's got 2 compartments clear full of straps and cables and chains and snatch blocks. It's got everything. He even has right in here, he has this right here is a brake buddy with all the attachments for the brake buddy up here. It has 2 wired remotes and it has 2 wireless remotes. On this side here, it's got all your braking system where you can lock and release the front and rear brakes. It's got all your things for doing your axles. This is brake releases for front and rear brakes when you're working off the back of the truck. Lots of fittings, wireless remote. Got toolboxes with battery-powered tools, all the sockets and hammers and just about everything you'd ever need. More fittings, every type of adapter fittings you imagine for different trucks. This is the passenger side compartment with more forks, got torches. Oh, the main box up there? Oh, for all the fuses and everything?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Circuit breakers and LED lights.
That makes it nice.
There's one on each side.
Are they run separate sides or? Okay, okay. There's your side puller. An aluminum frame. He took the aluminum frame off, put steel frames, took the cab and the nose off, and completely rebuilt the truck from the frame up. The engine's got 200,000 miles on it. Got a main box, a 4-speed Brownie.
New $1,000 snatch block there I just bought.
You've seen those nice aluminums they make now?
Yeah,
They,
$1,400 bucks.
I know. But then you start thinking, you owe $1,400 and you start thinking your shoulders.
Yeah. That's what the young guys are for.
I know. That's an interesting chain. I've never seen a square chain.
That's grade 120, the strongest chain you can get.
Is it really?
Yeah, that's the half-inch 120 is equivalent to 5/8.
Wow.
Grade 100.
Wow.
It's very expensive. There's shit, $10,000 worth of chain in there.
Well, I told.
And a lot of times we use these as loops instead of chains.
Oh yeah.
I don't use chain a lot.
I use these a lot too.
Yeah, that's all.
These this is a homemade brake buddy with all the attachments and straps.
That's for the fuel pump to drop that
Oh.
tank.
Okay.
That's in that box.
Okay. Yep. Oh. Okay. Yep. We have two remotes. We have a wired remote. And we have a wireless remote. I want to go to work. I want to go play with it. Let's go tow something.
Yeah, I do too. I've got new airbags.
Grab the back. How you doing?
You George?
I am. Who are you?
John, House of Records.
Oh, dude. This is John from House of Wreckers. He's the gentleman that hooked me up with the tow truck here in California. And he's taking care of all the paperwork. Everything's ready to go. And I'm going to be back up here next Wednesday. Right, John?
Yes, sir.
We're done. We're awesome. Thank you.